Drones are now used for very offensive roles also. So what BEL has done, we have made a variety of products for drone defense, which is called anti-drone system. One of the most important products which we have made jointly with the DRDO is called D4 system. And that system now we are supplying to Army, Navy and Air Force. It's very, very versatile system. It is having hard kill and soft kill, both type of options. So what it is having, primarily it is having one radar, long range radar, which can detect drones from up to a distance of up to 10 kilometers. And then it will start tracking it. Once the drone is detected and confirms that it is really a drone, not a bird or something, then we slew our electro-optic systems and then do further classification of that, what type of drone it is. Now we have two options. Either we can do soft kill or we can do a hard kill, depending upon type of lethality or type of defense which we want to do against it. So soft kill option is called based on the EW, electronic warfare. So we do some jamming of that particular drone, either the communication system of that or GPS system of that or a data link of that. When we see that it is a really drone with a really offensive mode, then we can use the hard kill option of. In hard kill, we will point the laser, the high power laser towards that and destroy that so that it comes down. So this total solution we have deployed even now also at Aero India site to give the total defense of this Aero India site. This is the drone detection radar, FMCW technology based, and this is homegrown by us, by our in-house teams. We have made, based on this only, a D2 solution. In addition, even this radar, BFSR AES, this also can detect drones. Overall, I can assure that we have a very good solution for this anti-drone systems, and we are ready to give total defensive and offensive solution in this particular sector.